Good morning, student. So, in last video I had solve question exercise 6.3. So today I will solve exercise 6.4. So very easy. Listen what I am saying. Compare the following decimals. Okay. Compare means greater than, less than or equal to. Okay. So the question is compare the following decimals. That means you have to compare it. The first one is 15.36 and 26.36. So in this question you can see all the numbers are equal. There are 4 digit and in this question there is also 4 digit. So there is no problem. So you can easily know which one is greater. So this one is greater. You have to put the sign from that side. Okay. Now I will show you question number C. It is 89 9.9 and 8 9.09. This is your question. Okay, and the question is to compare this. Okay, so in this question you can see a very important thing I have to tell you. After point there is 1 digit and after point there is 2 digit. So first of all you have to equalize it. So right here 899.9. There are 2 digit now, so we will put a 0 after 9. And right here, and this one is all okay, 0 9. Then we have to compare it. When you compare you will get that this one is greater. Okay, so this will be done if the numbers are not equal after point. Okay, so you have to do this and then you have to write this. Okay, now question number 2. Convert the following groups into like decimal. You have to convert this group into like decimal. Like decimal means the decimal which have the equal number after decimal. Okay, just an example I will show you question number 2a. Okay, the question is here 6.5, 13.835 and 175.49. So in this question you can see that after point there is 1 digit and after point there are 3 digit and after point it is 2 digit. So first of all you have to equalize which one is greater. So this one is greater after point because there are 3 digit. So we have to equalize this to 3 digit and this one to 3 digit. So very easy. So right here 6.5 00. Now this one written 3.835, no problem. Now this 175 point, there are 2 digit 4 9 and 0. Now you can see after point all I have 3 digit. Now we have to, now this is converted into like decimal. This is the way of converting this into like decimal. Okay, so you can do this very easily. Now come to question number 3. Arrange in descending order. Descending order means greatest to largest. That means you have to write the greatest number first, then the next number, then the next number. Okay. So I will show you question number B. 3B for you. The question is 0.8, 1.82, 18.32 and 28.01 and it is 1.28. So in this question you can see that except this all the numbers after point there are 2 digit. Okay, so no problem, you can also write here this. And now 1.82, 18.32, 28.01 and 1.28. And now you have to arrange this in descending order. Descending order means greatest to largest. So the greatest one is 28. So we will write here 28.01. Then the next greatest is this one, 18.32. And the next one is this 8.82. And this one is next one. And the last one is 0.80. So this is the way you have to convert this into ascending or descending order. Question number 4 is also write in ascending order. So you can easily do this. Ascending means smallest to largest. Same process will be done. Just like you can see in question number I will show you question number A. I will solve for you, okay, so that you cannot confused. 6.32, 63.2, 23.6, 62.3 and then 32.6. So we can see in this question that there are 2 digit after point, there is only 1 digit, again 1 digit, again 1 digit and again 1 digit. So first of all we have to equalize it. So equalize it. 6 point right here, 6.32 is okay. This 63.20. Now it is 2 digit after point. Now 23.60. Now 62.30. Okay. Now 32.60. Now all the questions are in 2 digit after point. Now we have to write in ascending order. So ascending order means smallest to largest. So which one is the smallest? This one is smallest. So write here 6.32. The next one is 23. 23.60 is the smallest. Now again next one, this one 32.60. Then after 62.30. And last is 63.20. This is the way of doing the process in ascending order. Now come to question number 5. This is fill in the blanks with greater than, less than or equal to. This is same as the question number 1. Okay. So you can easily do it. Just like question number 6, you can see that here 6.35 and this is 63.5. So it is only 5 and here are 2 digit after point. So you can write here 50, then you have to equalize it. Okay. Now come to question number 6. In a race, 100-meter race, Divya completed the track in 35.7 seconds. Okay. Whereas Sultana completed the same track in 38.7 seconds. Who won the race? Listen, if you take a race competition, participate in race competition, the person who take the less time to complete the race is the winner. So in the same way, you can see that here Divya had taken 35.7 seconds to complete the race and Sultana take 38.7 seconds to complete the race. So who won the race? So Divya won the race. So you will write here Divya won the race. Okay. Now come to question number 7. This is the last one. Okay. Following are the marks scored by the 5 students in maths test. Who did the best? This is the score mark of 5 students of maths. Kishore got 29.6, Pankaj got 26.5, Ganesh got 22.4 and Bhuvan got 28.5 and Vinay got 27.3. So who had done the best? So Kishore, because he had done the best because he had scored the highest mark. Okay. And after that the question is arrange the marks in ascending order. And after that you have to arrange this in ascending order. Ascending order means smallest to largest. So which one is smallest? Ganesh. This one should come first. Then this one could come second position. Then Vinay will come third position. Bhuvan will come fourth. And Kishore will come last position. So in this way you have to complete this exercise. Okay. Thank you.